I have reviewed several hardware wallets on this channel and over at cybersquirrel.com, and today, finally, I'm reviewing something a little different. Now, don't panic, it is still a hardware wallet that I'm reviewing. However, it's unlike any wallet that I have ever reviewed, and that's because it is the Tangem hardware wallet. I've had several people reach out to me requesting that I review the Tangem wallet specifically, probably because of its uniqueness and affordable price tag. The Tangem wallet is different in that it is an NFC enabled card. Thus, you need an NFC enabled phone to manage your funds and your wallet. Now, if you're wondering if your phone is NFC enabled or not, as long as you have an iPhone newer than the iPhone 6 and pretty much any Android phone, then it is probably NFC enabled. Not only is this wallet unique because it's basically like a debit card, but also because it is a seedless wallet. Now, what that means is you nor anyone else actually knows the seed phrase to this wallet. Rather, once you activate your Tangem card, it randomly generates a seed phrase for you inside the card itself. So rather than using your seed phrase to back up your wallet like you would with any other hardware wallet, Tangem actually sends you multiple cards to use as backups. They offer two variations of the Tangem wallet. One is a 2-pack for about $40, or you can buy a 3-pack for just over $50. Plus, if you use my discount code, which I'll leave in the description of this video, you'll get 10% off your order, making this one of the most affordable hardware wallets on the market today. So when you set up your Tangem wallet, you'll have one main wallet and then one or two backup wallets that actually utilize the same seed phrase. Notably, you can only use a maximum of 3 wallets for one seed phrase. So that means you can have a maximum backup of 2 wallets and 1 main wallet. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking because I had the same thought, and that is, what if you lose all 3 of your Tangem wallets? Do you lose all your funds? And I'll answer that and a bunch of other frequently asked questions in a minute, but before that, let's talk about the overall durability, security, and how to use the Tangem hardware wallet first. Now, I've already opened my Tangem wallet because obviously I had to test it before I did this review, but when you receive it, this box will be plastic wrapped, and then you open it up. Kind of cool. You'll have your cards right here, and then you have a quick setup guide right here. And that's really all you need to use this wallet, that and your phone. Tangem was nice enough to send me the 2-pack of wallets. So I do have 2 cards. One is my main card and one is my backup card. The card itself is similar to your bank card. It's made out of a thick plastic that is super durable. The great thing about this wallet is that it can withstand harsh conditions like extreme temperatures, mechanical stress, static discharge, x-ray machines, and of course, it's waterproof. For all those reasons, Tangem feels comfortable offering anyone who buys their wallet a 25-year replacement warranty. All right, but what about security? Hardware wallets are supposed to be some of the safest devices for storing your digital assets like crypto. So how secure is the Tangem hardware wallet? First off, the private key is stored exclusively on the card, making it impossible to export, import, or restore the card any other way besides using your backup cards. Similar to other hardware wallets on the market like the Keystone Pro and the Ledger Nano X, the Tangem hardware wallet utilizes a Samsung EAL6 Plus secure chip, and the firmware is audited by a top-rated independent Swiss auditor, Kudelski Security. That way you can trust using this wallet, knowing that there is no backends or potential bugs where someone could gain access to your wallet and your funds. Additionally, the microprocessor in this card is able to detect both invasive and non-invasive type attacks. So really this thing is pretty much indestructible. I mean, durability wise and security wise. Good stuff. Besides all the elements found in the actual wallet itself, when you go set up your wallet, the app will let you set up an access code used to access your wallet, as well as a passcode which you will have to enter whenever you make a transaction. So all that combined, this is a pretty darn secure hardware wallet. So what about setting up and using the Tangem wallet? How hard is it? To be honest, this is one of the, actually, you know what? This is the easiest hardware wallet that I've ever set up. Realistically, you can set it up in about 2 minutes, and I'm going to show you how to do that step by step right now. Step number 1, first download the Tangem app available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. Then once you have it downloaded, open up the app and scan one of your cards. It doesn't matter which one. Step number 3, select create a wallet to generate your seed phrase. And then the next step, you will scan your additional cards to create your backups. Finally, you'll be asked to create an access code before finalizing your backups by scanning each card accordingly. And that's it. You're done setting up your Tangem hardware wallet, and now you can use your wallet and the app to manage all of your funds. That includes transferring, receiving, and sending multiple types of cryptocurrency. Speaking of crypto, the Tangem wallet supports over 6,000 types of coins simultaneously, as well as over 34 blockchain networks. And Tangem is always working hard trying to get more coins and networks supported for this wallet. That way anyone can use it. One bummer for me at least is the Tangem does not support NFTs at this moment. Not sure if it ever will. So if you are looking for a wallet that will secure your NFTs, the Tangem wallet is not it. However, if you're looking for a super capable crypto wallet, then Tangem is just that. Okay, I'm sure you probably have a ton of questions regarding the Tangem hardware wallet because it is so unique. It's much different than all the other hardware wallets that I've used that you can see back here, the Ellipel, the CQX, Ledger, Keystone. This wallet is different than all of them. So I'm going to answer the most frequently asked questions right now, and hopefully these are all the questions that you have as well. So right off the bat, I want to answer that first question that you had earlier regarding what happens if you lose or damage your Tangem card. Well, if you lose or damage all three of them, your funds are literally lost forever because there's no way to restore your wallet since you don't know the seed phrase. That's why it's so important to create the backup wallets. Preferably, I would get the 3-pack. Again, Tangem was nice enough to send me the 2-pack so that I could review the wallet and tell them what I thought. But if I were to buy it again, I would definitely get the 3-pack. Also, if you were to, say, lose 2 of your cards, that would be the time when you want to buy a new set of Tangem hardware wallets. That way you can transfer the funds from your remaining backup card to your new Tangem wallets. Next question, what if Tangem goes out of business? Well, fortunately, your funds will remain safe. Remember, when you store your crypto or NFTs on a hardware wallet, or any wallet for that matter, it's not actually stored in the wallet. Your funds are always stored on the blockchain. Your wallet simply keeps your private key safe. That way you can access your funds. Also, Tangem doesn't have any servers for the data exchange or anything like that. So even if they were to go out of business and the app still existed, you could still use the application without any problems. Now, if the app were actually to disappear from any of the app stores, the code is open source, so anyone can go to GitHub and basically recreate the app from scratch so that you could still use your wallet. Obviously, this would be the worst case scenario, but worst case, it's still possible to use the app even if it were deleted. Realistically, if the app were to disappear from any of the app stores, I don't think it would happen overnight. Likely, Tangem would have an announcement and you would have some time to move your assets to a new wallet. Obviously not Tangem, that way your funds would remain safe. Next question, does Tangem know your private key or do they have any ways to access your private key? The answer is no. When you receive your wallet, it doesn't even come with your seed phrase. It's only activated once you activate your card using the app. Also, if you reset your Tangem wallet to factory settings, it will actually give you a new seed phrase internally. So if you want to set it up and then reset it, just to make sure that no one has your seed phrase, you could also do that. Furthermore, when Kudelski did their audit, they did confirm that the private key in the Tangem wallet is generated using a hardware random number generator, and there are no other bugs or backdoors that could potentially be used to access your funds or steal your private key. If you want to check out that full audit, I will leave it in the description for you. Next question, does Tangem collect personal data? The answer is no. Tangem does not monitor incoming or outgoing transactions of your wallet. They don't gather wallet addresses or any kind of personal information that could be used to identify a user or even their phone. Next, if the Tangem wallet is stolen, could that third party access your wallet? And the answer is yes, only if you did not set up your backup cards, because if you don't set up your backup cards, you cannot generate that access code, which is what keeps your wallet secure from someone else accessing it. And that's why Tangem recommends always backing up your cards before putting any funds on your wallet, So whether you get the 2-pack or the 3-pack, make sure you use those additional cards to back up your wallet before funding it. What is the lifespan of the Tangem Wallet? This is actually a huge question. I know a lot of people are worried about their hardware wallets failing. The great thing about this thing is there's no battery, there's not really anything in it to fail, and Samsung, who is the chip manufacturer for this card, guarantees that it will last a minimum of 25 years, hence the 25-year replacement warranty that Tangem offers for this wallet. Also note that the Tangem Wallet doesn't require any updates. You literally don't have to update this wallet. They basically, put in the firmware before they ship it to you, obviously when they manufacture it, and that's it. You never have to worry about updating this device again. And the final question is, would I recommend this wallet to someone else? Would I recommend it to you, to my friends, to my family? Well, hold on actually. Tastes good. I would definitely recommend this wallet to anyone who's looking for a secure and durable hardware wallet. Also, if you want to receive updates about hardware wallets, hardware wallet security, new hardware wallet products, as well as exclusive discount codes, and just everything Web3, NFTs, crypto, metaverse, new technology, make sure to sign up for the Cyberskrilla newsletter, and I will leave that in the description below as well, or you can just go to cyberskrilla.com/newsletter and just put in your email, and I'll send you an email maybe once a week, maybe twice a week. I promise it won't be spammy. It'll just be super valuable, and I know you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.